All right, guys, welcome back. Trade with Crazy version 10.4 review of the 17 March market. Now, this morning when I was doing my review, my screenshot, suddenly my set went down. I think due to my own set. I thought the programmer has a bit issue down there. Then I realized that that's could be my own issue. So I didn't get to do the PowerPoint slides. All right, so I cannot do the review of yesterday's market, but we can see yesterday's DEX to give you a good idea on how to use it to trade in the market. So let's look at DEX right now. Okay, so first of all, I already tell you guys I'm very bullish on DEX, and the reason is pretty clear, right? So you can see this is a pure elephant trade at the making. Now you can see that the price was going down, right? The price here was 23,400 plus. It went all the way down to 22,200 plus. So it's down by almost 1,200 points. Okay. Yeah. And then after that, you can see the KSI maintain the green. Wow, that's very strong, right? So because of that, I know that the DEX will go up, but I cannot just randomly buy. I must wait for the day whereby the market stays above the OP. So the day before, which is Friday, that's where I bought the DEX already. Once you go above OP, I bought the DEX. And when it breaks above the high, which is here, straight away I added position. Remember, when the market is coming downwards, okay, and the KSI is green in color, right? Once the market stays above OP, this is where you will buy. And if the market after that breaks above the previous high, which is the last high, you buy more. Got it? Right. If you have done that, right, you would have basically make money from the DEX. All clear? If you're clear, press number 1 right now. Okay. So once the market basically breaks up, okay, the next thing you look out for is a KCB, right? So straight away, I know that the first KCB that is around here. So very simple. I bought here, okay. My target was straight away placed here. That means I was looking at the 23,000, 23,110, okay. Opening price 23170, okay, 23170. So that was a very clear trade. So I bought there, and then I hold my position to see 170, but the real target should be somewhere around here. That means that if DEX if they go up again, right, DEX may be going for this number, which is the high, which is at 23474. Wow, that's quite high, right? But then it's possible. 23474. Okay, that is the highest point of this downdraft. So the market, if it will be elephant trade, then it will be going for this guy. Now, how it goes there as well, you leave it to the market decide. You can go straight away from the morning, from the afternoon bell. Okay, wait until last minute and go up again. It's possible, yeah. So my point is this: for now, I'm looking at DEX to go there. Okay, so how do we trade DEX yesterday, right? As a 5-minute chart revision. Let me show to you slowly and try to follow up. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so do it slowly, yeah. Okay, so first of all, the market set open already, right? It gaps down, and then after that, there was the first diamond. So same thing here, you draw a line across the diamond closing price. Okay, so where can I buy, right? So this is where you will buy. Yeah, this is where you buy. Your stop loss, right? By right should be put at the low of the diamond, right? But the thing, a low of the candle, there's a diamond. But the problem is that it's so near, right? So usually we'll put where the next trough, which is here. So the market after that basically went up, went down, went up, went down. And the thing is this, it actually triggered my stop loss. Yeah, it triggered. So you were lost money for this particular trade, okay? Then after that, when the market finally start to stay above the OP again, very firmly, you can see, very firmly by closing above it, that's where I buy again on the DEX. And after I purchase it, the DEX went up very nicely, but it missed the KTR plus one by just a hairline. And then after that, it cut to come down. So because of this diamond, right, you can extend it further and you can see what happened next. So you can see that the market after that breaks down below OP and then it went down. But again, this downside magnitude itself, right, is not a big one, not a big one. And if you look carefully, when this something happen, when you are selling something in the market, right? Okay, the people who bought here itself, they put a stop loss where? Somewhere around here. So that is the, you ask me if you're short here itself, right? Or even short here, where's your TP level? By right, it should be here. Whereby people commonly put their stop loss. Got it? If all got it, press number 2 right now. Okay, so after that, then the market has a new diamond coming out. So you place the same line across it, and this time it's very clear because the market stays above the line. KSI is green, KCX is black, so that was where you buy. And after you purchase here, your first TP, definitely the nearest technical point in this case was KTR +1. So you have bought there, and then you sell there, then that's good for money for you. Okay, so that is how you trade the DAX in the first part of the day. Now, as the second part of the day, you notice that there are more and more diamonds, so I cannot introduce one by one, but the main thing is this: you can see that if there's a diamond here, then draw a line across, they can still enjoy the fruits, okay? Until a new diamond come out, okay? Then what you do, you just have to do the same thing again, draw a line at the closing price. And you can see, interestingly, as long the boys are still buying, even though the market pulled back, the market still have find strength to go up. And the target was KTR +2. If not, the this aims over here itself. You can click around here. One. That means that after wait. Okay, so you can just buy here. Okay, your stop loss can put it here. If not, you can put at the trough, and then you can aim at this point here, KTR +2. Okay, right over here for first profit. Okay. All right. Then subsequently, the price has to move higher. There's a KCV previously over there, and all the way up until you see KTR +2 for the second profit. Okay, then after that, there is more diamonds right now. More diamonds is already at the near last part of the market, so we do not trade over there lah. No need to trade over there. So if you look at DAX yesterday, it was pretty straightforward. Once it's above OP, you just buy. So I told you many times before, above OP is always the best thing to do. Don't fight the OP rule. And it's above OP, you just concentrate on CCRY. I think that is your answer already. Now, sometimes itself, the CCRY may not be immediately, but it takes some time to formulate. But you can see overall, when it's above is a CCRY, you get to see profit. All right. So if you remember this, above OP, do CCRY. Below OP, do CCYR. As long as you do this properly, you should be able to make money from the market. All right, so that will be all for today's sharing because I don't have the other stuff to share with you. Right? So all I can say is that wish you all the best, and today's a good day to trade if you follow the OP rule. And then tomorrow, when the Federal Reserve have the meeting, you just go slow, yeah? Okay, thank you guys. Have a good day.